Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to print documents in WordPad. So if you want to do it, first you need to go to the left upper corner and you need to go to File. After that you need to go to Print, and here we need to select this one option. Print, select printer, number of copies and other printing options before printing. Then you will be able to select the printer. You can print this document to PDF, or you can select physical printer. For example, I will select this one printer, and then I recommend you to select here page range. I recommend you to select here all. It will let you to print all pages from your document, and then you need to type here number of copies. On default it is set to 1. After that I recommend you to check preferences, and you can select here orientation. You can select here if you want to print it as portrait or landscape. On default it is set to portrait. You can check here paper and quality settings and check if you want to print it as black and white color, and you can set here other settings. After that I click OK button and then I click print. After that printing will be successfully started in. So if I helped you to print your document from WordPad, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel.